FUD PJORN.
Today's barbecue chicken, bacon, potatoes. It's easy, and it's great. And if you do it right, your chances of getting lucky increase exponentially! Here's what you need to make it. Oil, your favorite barbecue sauce, bacon, chicken, butter, salt, cheese, green potatoes. Step 1, preheat your oven. Step 1, preheat the oven at 400 degrees. Step 2, rub your potatoes with olive oil and sea salt.
FUD PJORN.
Step 3, put them in the oven for at least an hour. Sometimes potatoes don't want to listen. That's why you gotta give it a little extra time, if you know what I mean. Tell your friends. Step 4, slap them slaps. Slap them strips in the slapper. Slap them strips in the skillet over medium heat.
FUD PJORN.
Step 5, cook your chicken in the bacon grease. Oh, is it not healthy enough for you? Why don't you go watch Salad Boys? You go cry in a salad.
FUD PJORN.
Step 6, reduce the heat and chop your greens. Wait! 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 Do it slowly.
FUD PJORN.
that's how you make a barbecue chicken and bacon stuffed potato.
What you looking at, boy? This ain't what you want. You better back up now. Come here, boy. What you got on my 40? Come here.
Wait!